Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The University. Today I will show you how you can apply to digital media in University of Bremen. First, you should search this in digital media masters in University of Bremen. You will see the links. We will select the first link, and here you will find this button, Jetzt bewerben. That means apply now. Okay, so we will click on this apply now, and here you will have a form. You just have to, if this is your first time, then you have to create this account here, and you just have to fill this form and create an account. I will skip this because this is very basic. You just have to put your information and just click on to create an account, and then you will receive an email, and they will give you a link to verify and create a new password for you. Then you just have to create the password and log into the account. So I will continue from that. So this is the portal you will log into after creating the account. So here is the applications, and you won't see this part. You will just have this part here. So you have to select masters or bachelor, whatever you want to apply, and then your nationality of other state, and in this section you have to select other state. Then you will have a save button or a next button here, and if you click that next button you will get this option. So for me, I will show you how you can search the program. Okay, so go to do not select this, please select this option, because this is the option for the first semester. If you select this one, it will start from second semester. I don't know why. They won't take, they will reject your application if you select this one. Okay, and here Master of Science, semester winter, search. Okay, so here is the subject. So if you click apply, you will go to the apply section. I have already applied, so I will show you how you can process the application. So this is my application. I will go to edit. Okay, after you hitting apply, you will come onto this page. You have to fill these sections: personal data with your name, date of birth, and etc. Your home address and semester address would be same. Your home address, you can put your home address in semester address as well. And communication data, I will start from here. Communication data, you just have to put a phone number and your email. Okay, then you will hit next. Okay, so they are showing that you have chose this digital media subject. So you don't have to select anything here because it is already selected. It will be already selected. Okay, you have to go fighter. Okay, so since you are applying for the first semester, you have to check this box and go further. Okay, here they are asking if you are a student from China, India, or Vietnam. If yes, you should select yes, otherwise you can skip it by selecting no. And if you are a student from India, China, or Vietnam, I don't know about the other countries, but if you are from India, you have to give a APS certificate. So you just simply, okay, I will show you how you can upload that. Okay, so you just simply upload file, click on upload file, and here is the APS certificate, and upload start. Okay, so upload successfully uploaded. Okay, so we will go to next, and here they are asking if you are a Pakistani. So since we are not, so we will select no. Okay, so here you have to select a date. When did you in date of your university entrance qualification, which is the secondary school certificate or higher secondary school certificate. So you have to put, in your certificate there is a date of your certification, so just put that date, it will be fine. And type of university entrance qualification, they are showing if you are an applicant from outside of Germany, you have to select this one. So just go to these options and just select this one, and you have to type 4,4 here, because they are saying if you are an international student you just have to 4,4. If you put a dot they won't take it, you have to put a comma. And country of your in which country you have completed your bachelor, and you just have to select abroad, because here they are saying you have to select abroad. You can leave this as chose, and doesn't matter. And here you have to give a date when you completed your bachelor. So in your certificate you will see a date, you just put that date here, and in here you just have to select bachelor degree at universities. Okay, so again you just have to put 4,4. Okay, so here you have to give your bachelor university name. I have just put a random name here, and here you have to select in which semester you have completed your bachelor. For me it's winter 2023. And how many semester you have completed in your bachelor? It's for me 8. You can put your own number. And next. Okay, so here they are asking if we have ever been enrolled in University of Bremen. So we will select no. And have you definitely failed? No. Is your bachelor degree equivalent? Yes, you have to select this option here. Okay, so country of enrollment, they will show you they will show you sorry, here you have to put your country, and from here you have to just select this Hochschulen im Ausland, which is means the same universities abroad, and here you have to select the bachelor completion semester. Okay, after coming to this page you won't see this option. Here you will only see that input type, and here will be a drop down menu. You will have to select abroad from there, then you will get these options. So after selecting abroad you will get to put some information here that when your bachelor started and when it ended, so you have to give those dates. And here you just have to simply select final examination abroad first degree. And in this option you have to select a subject that closely related to your bachelor subject. For me I had my bachelor in computer science, so I selected this computer und Kommunikation, which I felt that closely related to my subject. And here you have to put your country, a type of stay and studies, you have to select studies. Okay, so here, if you have more than one bachelor or any other diploma that you want to add, you can add, put it here by pressing this add entry option. Okay, so here at least 150 CP. So yes, you have to complete 150 CP. So you have to check this one, and of course you have to deliver a letter of motivation, so you have to check mark this and upload your letter of motivation here, exactly like how you uploaded your APS. So the upload system are same, and your portfolio here all in PDF format. And here you have to check this box, because we have to provide them English language certificate, whether it's IELTS or any other English language certificates. And here you have to put your degree, I mean bachelor degree certificate, upload your bachelor degree certificate, then your bachelor transcript, and then your CV. And in these options you can upload anything, and not anything exactly, any kind of internship you had, or letter of recommendation, or if you have any job experience, or anything you feel that that document will add value to your application, then you can upload them here. Okay, then further, you just have to check these boxes and click to this save and go to application overview. After you submit all your documents and informations, your status, all of the status will be okay. If anything is, any part of this is missing the status okay, you have to check them and correct them. And if all the status are okay, you are ready to submit your application. So here is the submit button. So you can press here and submit your application whenever you want. Okay, thank you everyone for watching this.